Why don't senior citizens play hide and seek? Because whenever they hide, they forget where they're supposed to be, and when it's their turn to seek, they forget what they're supposed to be doing. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on group games for seniors. Tip 1. Choose appropriate games. Not all games are suitable for seniors. Some may require physical activity that could be strenuous for older adults, while others might be too complex and mentally draining. So you should choose games that are simple to understand and can be played while sitting or with minimal physical effort. Whether it's board games, card games or video games, ensure that they are age appropriate and enjoyable for them. Tip 2. Organize regular game days. Regularly organizing game days can provide seniors with something enjoyable to anticipate. It gives them an opportunity to interact with their peers and introduces a sense of routine, which can be comforting for some seniors. This is a great way to keep them engaged, active and happy. Tip 3. Ensure equal participation. It's crucial to ensure that everyone gets a chance to participate in the game. Some seniors may be more eager to participate than others, but you should ensure that everyone gets an equal chance. This helps promote bonding and camaraderie among the group. Tip 4. Keep the games fun and light. The games should not be overly competitive. The focus should be on fun, laughter and enjoyment, not winning. Overly competitive games can induce stress and tension, which would defeat the purpose of these activities for seniors. Tip 5. Prioritize games that enhance cognitive skills. It's not just about fun and entertainment. Games can also serve as cognitive exercises for seniors. Puzzles, trivia games, word games and strategy board games can help enhance memory, critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Tip 6. Ask for their preferences. Instead of imposing your choice of games, get them involved in the decision-making process. Ask for their game preferences or if they have any particular games they used to play and enjoy. This will make them feel valued and listened to and enhance their participation and enjoyment. Tip 7. Appropriate game duration. Avoid really long games. The game duration should be appropriate considering the concentration span and energy levels of seniors. A game that is too long can end up being draining rather than enjoyable. Tip 8. Adapt games if necessary. Certain traditional games might be difficult for seniors due to physical limitations or cognitive impairments. It's crucial to adapt these games if necessary to suit their abilities. For instance, using larger playing cards for those with vision impairments. Tip 9. Comfort first. Comfort should be a priority when playing games. Ensure that seniors have access to comfortable seating and tables at a suitable height. If any senior has specific special needs, make sure that these are addressed. Tip 10. Biased team selection. If there are team games, try to create teams considering the skill level, cognitive level and personalities of seniors. This will ensure that the teams are balanced and everyone gets the chance to contribute. Tip 11. Emotional considerations. Be sensitive to the emotional needs of seniors. Some games can stir up emotions, especially if they trigger memories or lead to feelings of frustration. Be prepared to manage such situations and alter the game if necessary. Be patient, encouraging and supportive throughout.